It's your day in tech history, and it's brought to you by our friends over at Expedia.com, where you can find yours with Expedia. Hey everybody, Jeffrey Powers here, and I welcome you to the Day in Tech History at dayintechhistory.com. It's part of the Tech Podcast Network. You can subscribe via iTunes, Zune, or Stitcher Internet Radio. Our Twitter is Day in Tech Hist, and all show notes are on the wiki page if you want to follow along. Now let's find out what happened on this day, your day in tech history.
October 11th, IBM introduces the IBM 1440 data processing system, which featured major achievement in data storage technology, the IBM 1311 disk storage drive with disk packs. Now, IBM proclaims it's one of the most important new products we've ever announced. The 1311 is about the size and shape of a top-loading washing machine and stores about 2 million characters on a removable IBM 1316 disk pack. Each disk pack is about 4 inches high, weighs about 10 pounds, and contains 6 14-inch discs with 10 recording surfaces. In 1979, Visicalc, the first killer app of personal computers, is released by Dan Bricklin. It's a spreadsheet application for personal computers. In 1988, mathematicians use a network of computers in the United States, Europe, and Australia to factor a 100-digit number for the first time. The number is factored in less than a month. It is significant in cryptography because its accomplishment demonstrates that it's feasible to solve factoring problems using many computers working in parallel. In 1990, Czechoslovakia, the .cs domain, top-level domain, connects to the EARN BitNet. The .cs domain will be deleted then in 1993. In 1994, IBM announces that the release name of the next OS/2 version will be called OS/2 Warp. In 1998, ICWen.com launches the iSight Award, which is a recognition program for internet websites that support classic gaming or computing. The first recipient was AtariHQ.com, operated by John Hardy and Keith Leda.
And now this word from our friends over at Expedia. Las Vegas, Jamaica, San Francisco, China, New York, Portland, Florida. Have you been? Maybe you're from there and you need to start planning your trip home for the holidays. Now is the time to do that. With rates at their lowest for November and December, you can get great deals in planning your trip. That's where Expedia comes in, from air travel, hotels, cars, and full vacation packages. Because who doesn't want to be in a warm city during the coldest of winters? You can also earn Expedia points so you can use them on more trips all around the world. Get $25 off your first hotel booking at Expedia. Go over to geekazine.com/Expedia for more details. Over at Expedia, find yours. Now let's get back into your day in tech history. Back in at 2000, Microsoft releases Office 2001 version 9.0 for Macs. The suite included Excel 5, PowerPoint 4, and Word 2001. In 2001, the Poloroid Corporation files for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection. 2006, Qualcomm and the Mozilla Foundation announced that the future versions of Eudora will be based upon the same technology platform as the open-source Mozilla Thunderbird email program. It would be codenamed Penelope. 2007, EA purchases 2 game development companies, BioWare and Pandemic Studios, for $860 million. 2009, Miley Cyrus announces she's going to quit Twitter via a YouTube video. In the video, she cries about why she cannot tweet anymore, and also created that other meme where the person's asking why they were so hard on Miley Cyrus. So, I don't know. And then in 2010, Windows Phone 7 is released. Dell, HTC, Samsung, and LG all release phones with the new OS. Prices start at $199 with a 2-year contract. Of course, Windows Phone 7 is the latest version of the Windows smartphone technology, and featured these blue boxes where you could see all your content. And that's your day in tech history. My name is Jeffrey Powers, www.dayintechhistory.com. All the show notes are over at wikizine.com, Geekazine's wiki. And of course, you can like the Facebook page and follow Twitter at Day in Tech Hist. Until tomorrow, take care. Day in Tech History is copyright 2014 JMP Enterprise and Geekazine.com.